So considering from here, so verbs such as am, is, are, has, have, had, do, does, did, etc. are called auxiliary or the helping verbs. So we can say that helping verbs. Helping verbs, you know, is am, are, we, have. All these are the helping verbs in all these sentence. These are the helping verbs, and flying, learned, play. This is the main verb. So there are two types of verb: helping verb and main verb. So now the kinds of auxiliary verbs. Kinds of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs have many kinds. So like be, do, have, modals and semi-modals. In be form of the verb, that is, am, are, was, were are in the be form. Do form, do, does and did. Have form, that is, has, have and had. Modals, you know, that can, could, may, might, would, shall, should, all these are the modals. Now semi-modals, come on the semi-modals. Semi-modals are dare, need, ought to and used to. All these are the semi-modals. The verb be, am, have and do used with main verbs to make tenses, passive forms, questions and negatives in a sentence. Means be form are using with the main verbs to make sentence. Modal verbs are used before ordinary verbs, expresses meaning such as permission, possibility, certainty, necessity, etc. in a sentence. Now come on semi-modals. Semi-modals verbs can be used as both a main verb or a modal in a sentence. So semi-modal verbs are used in the both main and modal in a sentence. Now the main verb. Ordinary verbs, the other name of the ordinary verb is the main verb. Main verbs are of two types, that is transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So what is transitive verb? Transitive verb in a verb that denotes an action which passes over from the doer or to an object. It denotes an action which passes over from the doer. Means like India won the World Cup. The action of winning passes over the doer or a subject. Doer means subject. India to the object, the World Cup. If we get an answer to who won, we can also get answer who won what. Hence, won is a transitive verb in this sentence. So, transitive verbs is just a verb that passes an action over the doer or the subject. Now, intransitive verb. An intransitive verb is a verb that denotes an action which does not pass over an object, as the sun shines brightly. And intransitive verb that does not pass to an object, transitive verb can pass to a doer, but it doesn't pass to an object, like the sun shines brightly. Here, shines is an intransitive verb. The action of shining does not pass over the doer or the subject. The sun is an any object. We do not get an answer who shines upon what. Okay. So the note also, most verbs can be used both transitive and intransitive verbs. So there are so many verbs that can be used both in the transitive and the intransitive verbs. Now the object, direct and indirect object. Some transitive verbs like buy, find, give, get, send, etc. takes two objects, a person and a thing after them. A person and a thing after them. She gave him a mobile. So mobile is the direct object and him is a indirect object. The thing is a direct object, but a person is an indirect object. Okay. Verbs of a complete prediction. So you can read this. If you have any doubt in this, then you can ask me in the comment section.